I'm 49 years of age. I've got a young family, 2 children, aged 6 and 8. I've been married for 12 years now. I originally come from Sydney, have an extensive career in banking. I've spent 25 years in banking, the last 5 years in mortgage broking, and just recently I've just spent 5 years up in the mining industry, operating haul trucks and working in the safety area. I was looking for a career change, looking to do something completely different. As I said, Grasshopper found me. I sort of came across it by chance through word of mouth, and I did some investigation on the program, and I was really excited about it. And after doing the training on it, I knew it was the career path for me. I definitely wanted to do it. I found out about it from word of mouth, and then when I actually did some more research into the business, I actually really got quite excited about it. The business, to me, gave me the freedom and the lifestyle that I was actually looking for. And after doing FIFO for the last 5 years, I was missing out a lot of my family. So I found that this business could actually give me an enormous amount of flexibility around the hours that I work and actually spend some quality time with my children and my wife. The children that we have in the program are developing week after week. The parents are also giving an enormously positive feedback. The amount of referral business that we're actually now getting from my existing Grasshoppers parents, they're bringing other children down to join the program. It's such a rewarding experience just developing these children. I've always actually wanted to own my own business and be in control of my own destiny. So this provides that avenue for me to actually own my own business, control my own destiny, and actually have control over my life and the hours that I want to work, and also include like the family to be part of it. So yes, I'm running it, but my whole family can get involved in it. Also, my friends have got involved in it as well. They're doing everything they can to make this a success, and it is a success. It's been fantastic. Within 4 weeks, we've got over 100 children enrolled in our program. So that's testimony of the positive nature of this program and what it can actually bring to children. I'm getting so much out of this, and I'm being able to be a role model for my children. Getting out and actually in the fresh air and playing soccer, and my children absolutely love the program as well. They're both participating in the Grasshopper soccer program. My wife really enjoys it. Our friends have actually supported us as well. We're getting an enormous amount of support from our friends. And the parents who are actually involved in the program, they don't want this program to fail because they can actually see the tangible benefits that this program is actually having on their children. I would say investigate it. You would not be sorry. Go and investigate it. Join the team. They're going to actually give you an enormous amount of training in the background. The more you actually learn about it, the more that you will actually enjoy it. It's a fantastic program. So the advice is look into it, and if you join the team, you will have one of the most amazing, rewarding careers that I think you'll probably ever have in your lifetime. I think the presentation of your product when you actually go down and doing your soccer, that's everything really. It's actually learn your coaching, present yourself well, very professional at all times. I think that is really important. Don't be afraid to engage with the children and the parents. Just put yourself out there and have a go. And seriously, the more you put in it, the more rewards you'll get out of this program, trust me. I'm having great fun. It's been a great journey so far.